Hello 8th standard students. We were discussing about the brain teasers of parallel lines. Coming to the question number 1, section B and B subdivision. In the diagram given below, PQ is parallel to OL. PQ is parallel to OL. Now they have asked, is OL parallel to ST? There are 3 lines, isn't it? PQ, OL and ST. So, PQ is parallel to OL. But is OL parallel to ST? They have asked. So, first, and the angles are given. Okay. So, first write given PQ parallel to OL, and to show that OL is parallel to ST. Now, solution. First, we'll write PQ parallel to OL, and see, I have given one extra, that name, this is R. Now, QR is the transversal. QR is a transversal. See, in parallel lines, always you have to tell which are the 2 parallel lines and which is the transversal you are taking. Accordingly, you have to find the angles. Now, it is what? The angle PQR is equal to, no, PQR plus angle QRO. Okay. PQR plus angle QRO should be equal to 180. Why? Co-interior. Okay. So, angle PQR plus QRO should be equal to 180. What is the reason? Co-interior angles are supplementary. Okay, now PQR is already given 110. Now find out QRO is equal to 180. So, angle QRO is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. So, this one you got 70. Okay. Now, add these two. Angle QRO plus angle QRS. QRS. You got which angle? It is a ORS. This full. It is ORS. How much it will be? 70 plus 60 is equal to 130. So, this full angle you got 130. Now, see OL and ST. Now, take OL and ST are 2 lines, and which is the transversal? SR, isn't it? And SR is the transversal. Are you understanding? So, why we found out this angles? Because this angle, and then why we added this? Because ORS and see. Are you understanding? Z, isn't it? So, it is a L and ST are two lines and SR is the transversal, then angle ORS should be equal to what? RST. Both are. Is it 130? Yes. This is also 130 you got. ORS is 130. RST is 130 given. So, which type of angle? Alternate interior angles. When alternate interior angles are equal? When the lines are parallel. Therefore, OL is parallel to ST. Is it clear? So, first PQ is parallel to OL and QR is the transversal. So, take this. So, 110 plus 70. 110 plus 70 should be 180. Sorry, 110 plus this angle should be 180 because co-interior. So, you got 70. So, add 70 and 60. That became 130. So, this alternate interior. Okay. Now, coming to the question number C. See, AB is parallel to PQ. They have asked, and this full angle is Y. Okay, this full angle is Y. They have asked to find this. But for that, you can't directly, you can't do. So, you have to do some construction. So, for that, first draw XY parallel to AB and PQ. Either this method also you can do, otherwise you can do the other method. This line also you can continue and do that method. So, different way, there are so many methods, so you can do. Okay, it is given AB is parallel to PQ to find angle Y. Solution. First, draw XY parallel to AB and PQ. Okay. At, this is the point O. At O. Now, if you take AX and XY, AB and XY. So, first you take these two lines. Now, AB and XY are parallel lines. Okay, here I didn't write the angle. This angle and this angle, they have given 59. Okay. So, these two angles are given 59. So, it is what we do? AB is parallel to XY and AO is the transversal. AO is transversal. Okay. Now, we have taken this angle. See, the Y angle is divided into 2, isn't it? Because of this XY, you got here one angle, here one angle. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay. So, now angle 1. See, this line and like this. So, it will be what? Angle BAO is equal to this angle, isn't it? Angle 1, the half portion. angle 1. So how much it will be? 59. Y, you got Z, isn't it? BA, AO, OX. So alternate interior angles. Now you take the other one. It is a PQ is parallel to XY and PO is the transversal. PO is the transversal. PO, XY, PQ, PO is the transversal. Again the same. See, angle QPO is equal to angle this 2. That is also this one. Only this part, okay? Half of Y. So again it will be 59. Y, alternate interior angles. Now add 1 and 2. Y is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 59 plus 59 degree. 9 plus 9, 18. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1. So answer Y is equal to 118 degree. So the figure was M. So M का ये वाला एंगल Y फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बीच में एक पैरेलल लाइन ड्रॉ करने का है. फिर Y is divided into 2 angles. So find those 2 angles by alternate interior angles and then add both. Okay. So that was question number C. Now coming to question number D. बहुत सारे ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस है बहुत सारे. Now coming to question number D. Given it is a star, isn't it? AB parallel to EF, DE, this is DE, parallel to BC and AC, it is AC parallel to, this is AC parallel to BF. To find, this is X and this is Y. Angle X and angle Y. तो आप लोगों को ये 2 एंगल दिया है, एंगल D इधर और इधर एक बीच में 110 and this is 60. Okay. Now solution. First we'll take AB is parallel to EF. AB is parallel to EF and AB is parallel to EF and DE is the transversal. This one. DE is the transversal. Now angle E. This angle E plus 110 AB and EF, isn't it? So it will be this and this. Together, how much it should be? 180. Why? Co-interior. So you have taken AB and EF and DE is the transversal. So this 110 plus angle E. So angle E plus 110 is equal to 180 co-interior angles. So therefore, how much you got? Angle E is equal to 180 minus 110 is equal to 70 degree. So you got angle E as 70. Okay. Now you have to take DE. Which one? DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC and DE is parallel to BC and EF is the transversal. EF is the transversal. Now this angle E and angle X. See, DE and BC are the two parallel lines and this is EF is the transversal. So this angle E and angle X. Angle E and angle X is equal to 180. Why? Tell me. Co-interior angles. So angle E is already given 70. X is equal to 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. So you got X. Now take AC. We have to find out Y, isn't it? Now take AC parallel to, AC is parallel to what? DF. And take DE as the transversal. AC parallel to DF and DE is the transversal. Okay. Now AC and DF and this is the transversal. So it is angle Y plus angle this 60. Angle Y and 60. That should be how much? 180. Again co-interior. So it is a Y angle D plus Y should be equal to 180. That is co-interior angles. That is a 60 plus Y is equal to 180. That is Y is equal to 180 minus 60 is equal to 120. So first what we did, AB is parallel to EF and DE is taken as a transversal and we found this 70. Then you took DE and BC as the parallel lines and EF is the transversal. With that X you found. Now you took which one? Last AC and DF with DE as the transversal. So it is a Y plus 60. All are co-interior angles. So you got X is equal to 110 and Y is equal to 120 degree. That was question number D. A bit confusing, isn't it? Now coming to the E question. It is a given L is L. What value of X is L parallel to M? So first we think L is parallel to M. and find out x in this. Okay, we are considering L is parallel to M and T is the transversal. Okay. So here this angle is given 45. So now we will write this. Let it be angle 1. Okay. How much it will be? 45. Why? So angle 1 is equal to 45 degree vertically opposite angles. हो गया, ये 45 मिल गया तो ये दोनों क्या आएगा? एंगल 1 प्लस 5x plus 35 is equal to 180. Which property? Co-interior angles. Isn't it? So angle 1, how much you got? 45 plus 5x plus 35 is equal to 180. 5x plus 5 plus 5, 10, 80 is equal to 180. 5x is equal to 180 minus 80. 5x is equal to 100. X is equal to 100 by 5. That is 20. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 20. When x is equal to 20, the lines are parallel. See, whenever the value of x is asked to find out, so you consider the two lines are parallel and use the rule. The corresponding angle, alternate interior, alternate exterior, or the co-interior angles. So we have completed question number 1, A and B sections. Hope everyone understood. Little bit confusing, we know, but understand properly and think about all the angles, vertically opposite, the linear pair, the corresponding angles, alternate interior, alternate exterior, and the co-interior angles. And see which are the two parallel lines, which is the transversal to be taken. Some figures will be very confusing, so you have to understand and do. Okay then, bye, thank you, take care.